Good morning, student. Today we'll discuss the more problem which are related to the chapter elasticity of demand. In previous video already discussed the derivations of elasticity of demand, and also derived the formula of elasticity of demand. Now in this video we'll discuss about the problem related to the elasticity of demand. Okay, so here is the first problem, that is a consumer increase the demand for a commodity from 100 units to 110 units when its price fall by 10%. Okay, now we have to calculate what is the price elasticity of demand. So we have given the consumer increase the demand for the commodity from 100 to 110. So here we just write P and Q, quantity demanded, solution of this question, and demand of the commodity from 100 to 110 when its price fall by 10%. Here the price fall by 10%. So here just take as an example, or you can say here the price is X. So price fall by 10%. Okay, so or here you just take a number also, means you just take the 10 or anything. Suppose let initial price is equal to 10. So price, you can take any number here. So price fall by 10%. So 10%, 10 minus 10%. So 10 minus 10% of 10, 10 upon 100. So 10 minus 100 upon 100. So 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. So that is new equilibrium price. Here you can write 10 and that is 9. Now you can directly say that 10% of 10 is what? 1, and this is what? This is the decrease in the price, because here it mentioned the fall in the price. So fall is the price 10%. So 10% of 10 is 1. 1 rupees fall means 10 minus 1, that is 9. So this is the complete questions of this problem. Now we have to calculate what? We have to calculate the elasticity of demand. Elasticity of demand is what? It is equal to delta Q upon delta P into P by Q. This is the formula of elasticity of demand, already derived in the previous video. So delta Q upon delta P into P by Q. So delta Q is what? Change in quantity demand. So how many units have been changed? So 110 minus 100 is equal to what? 10. Just lower limit, lower numbers, or you can say that here the initial price or initial demand with new price or new demand. So new minus initial, 110 minus 10, that is 110 minus 100, that is 10. So delta Q is what? 10, and delta P is what? 9 minus 10. So 9 minus 10 is minus 1. So you want to see that 9 minus 10. So 9 minus 10, that is minus 1. And here 110 minus 100, that is 100. And what is the initial price? 100, and initial quantity is, initial price is 10 and initial quantity is 100. Okay, this is what? This is initial price, this is initial quantity. Now you just multiply 10 into 10, that is 100. 1 minus 100 is, that is minus 100. So what is the value of elasticity of demand? Minus 1. Okay, so by using the formula we can solve the questions. Here one more problem. Here in this question we have given the answers, means we have given the elasticity of demand. We have to find the equilibrium, we have to find the new price. Okay, we just take it as a x. Okay, so we have to find this price when the demand increases from 100 to 150. Initial price is 5. So what is the new price of this particular product when the consumer purchase 140 unit of that particular commodity? So what we will do, we'll write the formula delta Q, ED is equal to delta Q upon delta P into P by Q. Okay, so what is the value of delta Q? Delta Q is change. Change is what? 140 minus 100, that is 40. And here just take the new price is x, so x minus 5, that is delta P. Okay, into P by Q. P is what? P means initial price. Initial price is what? 5 rupees. And initial quantity is 100. Okay, and we have given the value of ED, that is minus 2. Now what we have to calculate? The values of x we have to calculate over here. So this is what? 40 into 5, that is minus 2 is equal to 200 upon x minus 5 into 100. Okay, 40 into 5 is 200 and 100 into x minus 5, because x minus 5 will not, if the multiply like this, then we will get the x minus 5 into 100. So 100, 200 upon 100, that is 2. So here minus 2 is equal to 2 upon x minus 5. Now what will you do? Just do the cross multiply. So minus 2 is equal to cross multiply minus 2 in bracket x minus 5 is equal to 1 into 2, that is 2. Now what will you do? Minus 2 multiply in the bracket means both the number, both the variable. So minus 2x and this minus and minus, that is plus. So minus 2 into minus 5, that is plus 10 is equal to 2. So minus 2x is equal to 2 minus 10. This minus from left hand side to the right hand side. So 2 minus 10. So minus 2x is equal to minus 8. Here the minus cancels. So 2x is equal to 8. So x is equal to what? X is equal to 8 upon 2. So x is equal to 4. Okay. So what is the value of x? So x is equal to 4. So new price is what? 4 rupees when the consumer purchases the 140 units of the particular commodities. Okay. So you solve the questions related to this chapter. There are so many questions in your book. If you have doubt, then you can ask. Okay, so there are different kinds of questions. Sometimes the percentage is given, quantity percentage is given. Sometimes the answer is given. Then we have to find price of equilibrium price or initial price or equilibrium quantity or initial quantity. So by using the same kind of patterns, you can solve so many questions related to this problem. Okay, so thank you so much. I hope you understood the concept of how to solve this kind of problem. If you have doubt, then you can ask. Thank you.